Hello friends, welcome you all back to my channel. So today we are going to dive deep into this book which is of Hindu law, and the writer of this book is Dr. Paras Diwan. So basically we know that Paras Diwan is a well-known jurist who wrote a lots of books which are completely usable or are very popular in law schools or as a textbook or as a guidebook. So let's talk about the content of this book. This book contains the important aspects of Hindu law, such as the sources of Hindu law, marriage, adoption, succession, and the divorce, adoption, and many more aspects. So, if we, let's talk about who can buy this book or for whom this book is really useful. So, if you are a law student, if you are a judicial service aspirant, or you are a law intern or a lawyer, and apart from this, if you're preparing for LLM or NET exam, you can buy this book for your self study purpose, because the content here that is described in this book is very easy language. And apart from its easy language, it contains lots of case laws, landmark judgments, which make your understanding more reliable, more easy for you to understand. And the book, you can buy it from various platforms like Amazon, Flipkart. And to sum up, I would like to say, if you have already purchased this book or you have read this book, or maybe my seniors who have already gone through this book, and I would like to tell their reviews. I will invite them to tell their reviews, tell their ideas in the comment section. So you have around, if you have around 500 or that much money, you can buy it. It's not so much costly, but the content here, you learn about the marriages, how the divorce happen, how the adoption of things are done, how the guardianship are being transferred. So if you want to learn about the marriages between different castes and different religion, you have to study the Special Marriage Act, because under this act, the marriage regarding different communities, different religions are being discussed, and the rules for them are being discussed in the Special Marriage Act. And if you are going through the Hindu law traditions, rituals, and those kinds of aspects, then Hindu law is the book which you can buy. So stay tuned, stay connected, stay happy, take care, bye bye.